Check out this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the assist steps, chrome tubular, 6 inches oval, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.08 ratio, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing speed flex fuel with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, LTZ plus package, wheels, 420 x 8.5, 50.8 cm x 21.6 cm, chrome-clad aluminum, rear-view camera system and VLPO, deluxe chrome package. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.